Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Simply Mary. If this is your first time in my channel, my name is Mary. Nice to meet you. And please don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more future videos from my channel. Let's jump in on the next video and show you how I did this makeup look. Alright, so let's start this makeup look. First of all, I'm gonna put my hair clip just to, so that my hair is not on my face while I'm doing this makeup. Let's start off with some primer. I'll be using this Maybelline primer. So let's start off with that. Alright, so you probably hear my son in there in the background. Right, so that's So I put the primer and let's wait until it's dried off, and we're gonna put our foundation. So let's see where's the foundation? Where's my foundation? I cannot find the foundation. Oh my god. Alright. So I'm gonna use the NYX. Alright, so now let's start with the foundation. So I'm gonna use my beauty blender. Alright, so now I'll put I'm not a natural artist. I still have a lot. Yeah. So I already blended out my foundation. Now I'm gonna put some concealer. My favorite concealer all the time. I don't know. So I'm just gonna put a little concealer. Alright, so we're gonna do some big. some contour in there. I'm gonna you know, fix it later on. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna jump right into doing our eye makeup. So I want to do a summer peachy makeup look. So let's see what we can, you know, get from here. All right, so let's see. I will use a the Just Peachy on the so now I put that in there in my eyelids. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get this brush and this like kind of slant brush like that. So now let me go ahead and get some of this peach punch, and I'm gonna get some of that right there. I think I'm gonna peach punch and then peach cobbler. Just, you know, mix it, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and put it right here in the outer corner of my eyelids. Right there. And after that, maybe I'm gonna get, not maybe, but I'm gonna get this. I'm gonna get this brush right here, and then I'm gonna go ahead and get like this Just Peachy and Fresh pick. So I'm just gonna, you know, mix it, and then I'm just gonna go through some right here. Okay. Then I'm gonna go ahead and get some of this peach butter, and then I'm gonna put some right here in the inner corner of my eyes. I'm gonna grab some of that peach punch and just put it right here. So now we're gonna go ahead on our next sorry, on the other side on our other eye. All right, so I already put peach butter on it, and now we're gonna put the Just Peachy. do is I'm gonna get this golden highlighter right here and just put it in my inner corner. So I have that already. And then now we're gonna fix our eyebrows. So my eyebrows is micro shaded. However, I want it to look more, you know, more put together, I should say. So I'm gonna do my eyebrows, and I'm gonna use this on. This is my Anastasia. It's my Anastasia pomade for, you know, eyebrows. It's in the color of medium brown, so I'm gonna use that. So what I do is I grab, you know, some product, and then I will put it in my hands, and I'll work with that. So what I will do, I will brush my eyebrows. All right. I used to spend all the time on eyebrows every morning. It would take me like 2 minutes just my eyebrows. That is why. I'm gonna fix it. I'm gonna make it look more put together. So what I would do is I would use my concealer. Oh my god, I can't think of the name of it. Oh my goodness. Right, so I'm gonna, you know, use this brush right here to work on getting to work on my eyebrows to make it look more put together. So basically, so I can blend it out already. Doesn't really have to do more stuff on it. So now what we're gonna do, I'm gonna go back and contour my face again, just blend it out using my NYX